Another method of preparation of alcohols is by the reduction of aldehydes and ketones. An aldehyde is represented as RCHO, a ketone is represented as RCOR-. To carry out reduction, a reducing agent is required. Different reducing agents used are hydrogen in the presence of nickel, palladium, platinum, sodium borohydride. How can we write the general reaction equations? If an aldehyde is given, the equation can be written as RCHO plus hydrogen in the presence of palladium gives RCH2OH. Note that the CHO group gets converted into CH2OH, and an aldehyde on reduction gives a primary alcohol. For example, let the aldehyde given be ethanol, CH3CHO. So when it undergoes reduction, when the reduction is carried out using hydrogen in the presence of palladium, ethanol gets reduced to ethanol CH3CH2OH. It is a primary alcohol. Next, consider a ketone RCOR-. When a ketone is reduced using sodium borohydride, a secondary alcohol RCHOHR- is obtained. Note that the carbonyl group CO gets converted into CHOH. For example, let the ketone given be propanone acetone, that is CH3CO CH3. When propanone is reduced using sodium borohydride, we get propan-2-ol, that is CH3CHOH CH3. Propan-2-ol is a secondary alcohol. In this reaction, the CO group gets converted into CHOH. Alcohols can also be prepared by the reduction of carboxylic acids and esters. The reducing agent used is lithium aluminum hydride. A carboxylic acid RCOOH gets reduced to a primary alcohol RCH2OH. Note that the COOH group changes to CH2OH. Commercially, carboxylic acids are reduced to alcohols by converting them into esters. The ester on reduction using hydrogen in the presence of nickel gives alcohol. Ethanoic acid CH3COOH on reduction gives ethanol CH3CH2OH, which is a primary alcohol. Ethanoic acid can be converted into ester, that is methyl ethanoate, by reaction with methanol. Methyl ethanoate, the ester obtained, is then reduced using hydrogen in the presence of nickel to get alcohol ethanol. Along with that, methanol is also obtained. Preparation of alcohols using Grignard reagent RMGX. Grignard reagent reacts with methanol, other aldehydes and ketones to give primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. This reaction involves nucleophilic addition of the Grignard reagent RMGX to the carbonyl group to form an adduct. Hydrolysis of the adduct gives the final product alcohol. Reaction of methanol with a Grignard reagent gives a primary alcohol, whereas reaction of aldehydes other than methanol gives a secondary alcohol. Reaction of ketones with a Grignard reagent gives a tertiary alcohol. For example, consider the reaction of methanol with methyl magnesium bromide. Nucleophilic addition of methyl magnesium bromide to carbonyl group of methanol will take place. The carbonyl group is polar with oxygen forming the negative end and carbon forming the positive end. In methyl magnesium bromide, MgBr part is positive and the methyl part is negative. So, during addition, methyl group will get attached to carbon of the carbonyl group and MgBr part will get attached to oxygen of the carbonyl group. As a result of this addition, An adduct will be formed which is CH3CH2OMgBr, which upon hydrolysis gives ethanol CH3CH2OH. Along with ethanol, MgBrOH is also obtained. So by the reaction of methanol with methyl magnesium bromide, a primary alcohol is obtained. Let us now consider the reaction of ethanol with methyl magnesium bromide. Ethanol is CH3CHO. Methyl magnesium bromide is CH3MgBr. So when ethanol reacts with methyl magnesium bromide, an adduct is formed which is CH3CH3OMgBr, which upon hydrolysis gives propan-2-ol. Thus, by the reaction of ethanol with methyl magnesium bromide, a secondary alcohol is obtained. Consider the reaction of propanol with methyl magnesium bromide. Propanol is a ketone. It is CH3COCH3. It reacts with methyl magnesium bromide to give an adduct which is CH3-COMgBr, which upon hydrolysis gives 2-methyl-propan-2-ol, which is commonly called as tertiary butyl alcohol. Thus, by the reaction of propanol with methyl magnesium bromide, a tertiary alcohol is obtained.